Okay, our first challenge is a personal challenge, and it is the bottle flip challenge. You will need a water bottle with some water in it. How much water is the best amount?
About a third.
About a third full of water. And you will need some way to time 1 minute. Either a clock, a watch, a phone, or a grown-up to time you. Okay, me and Hunter are going to go head to head and see how many we can do in 1 minute. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
5,
3,
2, 1, go.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4,
2,
5,
3,
6,
4,
7,
5,
8, 9, 10, 11,
6,
12.
7. Stop. So have a go at home, see if you can beat our scores. Our next challenge is mug basketball. And all you'll need for this is a mug and a sheet of paper. You're going to scrunch it up into the ball. Ready? Okay, to work out where to put your basket, you're going to stretch your leg out. You're going to put your basket at the end of your foot, so it's one leg length away from your body. Right, me and Hunter are going to go head to head, see how many baskets we can get in 1 minute. You ready? 2, 1, go. Yes, 1. 5, 2.
3. 4.
4.
Right, so have a go at home. See if you can beat a score. But if you want to take your throwing and aiming skills to the next level, then try with a pen such as a Sharpie and a toilet roll. Let's do this.
Okay, so we're not going to time this challenge. We're just going to keep throwing our pen until one of us gets it into the hole. Okay, are you ready, Hunter?
Ready.
Let's see who's going to win. On your marks, get set, go. Yes!
Hey!
Woo!
High five.
Right, our next challenge is a head-to-head challenge, which means there's going to be a winner and a loser. So what you'll need for this is your thumb, a friend or a family member, strategy, and strength. We're going to do a thumb war. Are you ready?
Ready.
So the rules of a thumb war are this. Give me your hands. Your hands must stay connected like this, and the bottom of your hands must stay on the table like this. If you lift up your hand or you disconnect like this, you are disqualified. Okay? You have to hold the other person's thumb down for 1, 2, 3 seconds to be the winner. And you have to start by saying 1, 2, 3, 4, I declare a thumb war.
1, 2,
Ah! Well done. So for a thumb war, I normally like to do best of 3. So you ready for another one?
Ready.
Remember, don't lift your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war.
1.
1, 2, 3. Got you. Okay, this is the decider. Remember to not break the rules. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war.
1. Ah! Don't lift your hand off the table.
1, 2. Ah.
Don't lift your hand off the table. No, stop. Don't lift your hand off the table. 1. 1. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, you win. For our next activity, we're going to use our scrumpled up paper balls again. We're going to use our mugs again. We're going to need a teaspoon for a game of tabletop beat the goalie. So to make my goal, I'm going to take my 2 mugs, put them at the edge of my table, about the width of my hand apart. And my goalie is going to be using just a teaspoon to try and save the goals. I'm going to be using my fingers as feet to try and score a goal into the goal. Are you ready? So we're going to set the timer for 1 minute, see how many goals I can score, and then we'll swap over. Are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2,
1. Oh.
See.
Oh, come on. No, push that like. Stop cheating.
So our next challenge is another personal challenge for anyone that wants to practice their football skills at home but is not allowed to kick a football in the house. All you'll need is a simple balloon, and we're going to do a Keepie-uppie challenge. So for the Keepie-uppie challenge, you can either hit the balloon with your knee or with your foot. Keep score of how many you do. When the balloon touches the floor, it's finished. So that's the end of our indoor sports day. Have fun, have a go. Let us know if you beat any of our scores. And if you think of any other challenges that we might like to have a go at, let me know. See you later.
Bye.